In today's video, we are going to cover how to set up tracking categories in Xero. Begin by signing in to your Xero account. Once you are in, look to the top menu and click Accounting. From that menu, select Accounting Settings. This opens the area where Xero stores the settings connected to your accounting setup, including the options used to organize transactions beyond the standard chart of accounts. On the Accounting Settings page, find the Tracking section and click Tracking Categories. This is where you create the labels and options that let you sort income and expenses in a more detailed way. If you use tracking to separate parts of the business, projects, departments, or locations, this is the screen where that structure is created. Next, click Add Tracking Category. Xero will open a form for the new category. In the name field, enter the name you want to use for this tracking category. Choose a name that clearly matches the way you want to group transactions, since this is the label you will see later when you apply it to invoices, bills, bank transactions, and journal entries. After naming the category, add the tracking options you want to use within it. These options are the individual values you will assign to transactions. For example, the category might represent a business area, and the options inside it would represent the specific groups you want to track. Enter each option carefully so the wording stays consistent across your records. Clear names here make it easier to recognize the right option later when you are entering transactions. Once the category name and options are in place, click Save to create the tracking category. At that point, the category becomes available for use in the relevant transaction screens. If you need to review it later, you can return to the same tracking categories area from Accounting Settings. After the tracking category has been created, you can start using it while entering transactions. When you create invoices, bills, bank transactions, or journal entries, look for the tracking field and select the appropriate tracking option for that entry. This is the step that connects the transaction to the category you set up, so make sure you choose the option that matches the transaction you are recording. Using the correct tracking option consistently helps keep related transactions grouped under the same category. That makes your records more organized and allows the tracking structure you created in Xero to be applied across different transaction types in the system. Your tracking category is now set up in Xero and ready to use on invoices, bills, bank transactions, and journal